Read this sentence. The animal didn't cross the street because it was too tired. Easy, right? You know it means the animal, not the street. But stop for a second. How did you know that? Nothing inside the word it tells you. You figured it out by glancing back at the other words. That tiny move, one word looking back at the others, is the exact idea running inside every AI you've ever touched. It's called attention, and it's simpler than you'd guess. Look at the problem from the machine's side. To an AI, a fresh sentence isn't a story. It's just a line of words with no meaning pinned to them yet. The word "it" shows up as a blank. Maybe it points to the animal, maybe the street. Swap a single word, because it was too wide, and suddenly it means the street instead. Same little word, opposite answer. Until the AI settles, which it can't really read the sentence, so it does what you just did. It looks around. Now the clever part. It isn't only it that looks around. Every word does, all at the same time. Tired checks who's tired. Cross checks who's crossing. Picture each word shining a small spotlight across the sentence, asking one question. Which of you actually matters to me? Most words stay dim. A couple flare up bright. That pattern, bright here, dim there, is attention. And nobody wired those links by hand. The AI learned them by reading mountains of text. It's the model quietly deciding what connects to what. So, how does a word choose what to light up? Each word carries three little things. 1. A question. What am I looking for? It is really asking, who am I standing in for? 2. A sign every other word holds up. What do I offer? Animal holds a sign reading. I'm a thing that can get tired. When the question matches the sign, the spotlight burns brighter. 3. The meaning gets passed along. Once it locks onto animal, it quietly fills up with the sense of animal. A question, a sign, a handoff of meaning. That's the whole trick. Now multiply it. This doesn't happen for a single word. It happens for all of them, each one weighing every other word at the very same instant. A short sentence is a handful of glances. A full page? Thousands, firing together. And because every word keeps checking every other word, the AI never drops the thread of who or what you're talking about. It's how the model knows there means the kitchen from 10 words back, or that she is the doctor and not the patient. That's the secret tucked inside ChatGPT and every model like it. No magic, no human-style understanding, just this one move at enormous scale. Strip away the math and the billions of numbers, and this is what's left underneath. Words looking at words, sorting out what matters. So the next time an AI answers you, picture it. Every word shining a quiet spotlight, and in that glow, the sentence working out what it actually means. One small idea, running the whole show. And a thought to sit with. If attention is just words weighing other words, what do you think happens when it spotlights the wrong one?